Hi guys, Kevin here, and today we'll be doing a quick install on the AUTOSTOP Eliminator. Now, car manufacturers have come up with a feature that automatically stops the engine when you're at a red light. You take your foot off the brake and the engine starts back up. A lot of consumers aren't happy with this, so there's a device called the AUTOSTOP Eliminator that I'm going to show you how to install. Now, this device works on many different makes and models, so let's go ahead and get it installed so you can see how it works and how easy it is to install. So let's go ahead and get the vehicle started. Okay, so auto stop is in the off setting when the light is illuminated orange. Now currently it's in its default setting where the light is not illuminated, which means that auto start stop is on. Now what we want is the auto start stop button to be illuminated orange, so that when you get in the vehicle, you don't have to push the button to turn off the feature. It's automatically defaulted to be in the on position, which you can see here, it's not illuminated. So we're going to use the auto stop eliminator to resolve this. Now, to get your hands on one of these, you're going to want to go over to their website, link down below in the description, and look at the switch style. The switch style is the button configuration that you have in your F-150, so pay attention to that. And then, of course, you can look at the device type and then match the device type to the switch style and go from there. Now, to do the job, you're going to need a 7mm socket. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 7mm, and you're going to need a ratchet. Let me just go ahead and put that together. Now what I'm going to do is use my bare hands. I'm going to pull up on the basket that's built into the dash, and this will give me access to the bolts so that I can get the front bezel off. Okay, so there it goes. All right, just focus, and here's the clip that popped off. Let me just go ahead and get that back on. So there we go, and now we have access to the bolts on each side. So now we have the ratchet here, and let me just go ahead and get this off. Okay, let me go ahead and adjust the ratchet. Okay, there's two bolts, one on the left, one on the right. Let's go ahead and get this removed. Okay, so now that our bolts are loose, let's just go ahead and remove them. Just a quick unscrew with the hands. Just untighten these, and then we pull up and out, and that's how we get the front bezel off. And there's clips, so we just want to go around carefully and get the clips to release. We don't want to break any of the clips. Okay, we almost got it. All right, let's just go ahead and pull down ever so slightly, and there it goes. So there's the bezel. We've got it off, and now behind the auto start button there's a clip. Now let me get this at the right angle. I don't want to pull too fast and yank something, so let me just twist this around, and there's the clip. I got it. Okay, so there it is. That's the harness with the connector. Now I don't know if you can see, but there's the clip. Just got to push that in. I was able to do it with my nail. And here's the auto stop eliminator. So let's go ahead and get this out the package. All right, so we have it. The side with the graphic connects to the cable that's coming out of the dash. So let's go ahead and connect that. You should hear a snap. And the other end connects to the back of the switch to turn the auto stop on and off. Now what you want to do is take the excess cable and place it above the screen of the radio, and then put the front bezel back on. Now what you want to do is put the bezel in front of the dash and start from the bottom until you feel and hear the clips attach, and then we work our way slowly up to the top. Okay, Now we want to make sure that we have the top tray above the bezel as we push in the top clips. Okay, there it goes. Oh, now I just have to pull the tray back up because I should have had the tray up prior to pressing down on the top clips on the bezel. But first, let's go ahead and see if the switch works. Take the key, turn it on. It's in the off position now. That's the first time I started this up, and it's in the off position. So that gets rid of the pesky auto start stop when you're at a traffic light or you slow down. That does it. So if I turn it off, you can still use the auto start stop feature. Now I'm going to turn it back off, turn the car off, let it all power down. It's in the off position again as I open the door. So you can see there it is. Now, don't have to worry about the pesky auto start stop. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe. And for more videos like this, go ahead and click on the links now.